Guys, look at this car. You know me, I love Jeeps, G-Wagons, Broncos, Defenders, boxy cars. That's my thing. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this when it was announced, I was like, this is kind of weak. But now that it's actually here and I'm seeing it in person, I like this a lot more. It's one of those cars definitely that you have to see in person for you to appreciate it. Oh, like look at this. I love the little rivets on the door panels. Everything is very monotone, like just simple seats, nothing crazy. Oh, I feel like I'm at home!
Haywood, you drove a JK Wrangler. This is not your home.
Have you seen your M3?
Yeah, did you see the...
Anyways, guys, look at everything's just black and gray. It's so clean. I love it. And like the buttons here, barely anything. Just like, you know, wherever that is and wherever that is, and okay, the start button, of course. Oh, the lights. Okay, never mind. There's more buttons. Good morning, Evo. How did they know?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
It's a valet mode.
It's great for going off-road.
Oh my god, how does it get a camera on our four-post?
Okay, so here's a neat thing.
Awesome.
There's an off-road function, which is cool. Like when I was trying to drive on to the lift, we always need someone to direct us, right?
Not anymore.
So now I can see if I'm lined up evenly on both sides as I come up on the ramps. That's really neat.
Oh my god.
This is the drive forward camera, which shows you right in front of the car. Oh wow, you can zoom in. Look at what?
Oh, that's so
Look at that. Oh yeah, you can pick each camera, and that's the very front. Man, that's really neat.
So the reason why the Defender is in today is because we're gonna be Clearbra the full front end. Dustin, you should be really proud and really excited that you're gonna be Clearbra one of my favorite cars of all time. How do you feel about that?
Stupid car.
What? The Defender comes in this nice gray color matched A-pillar, so we're gonna be wrapping that in the Inozotek gloss black. That way it has like that Range Rover look to it, where the whole like top portion is all blacked out. We're doing the same with this part here too, because it has that little gray square. So this is gonna be blacked as well. We're going with the Inozotek for the wrap because the Inozotek looks the best. So while Dustin is finishing up on the Clearbra on the full front end, I want to show you the vinyl wrap that we did now. So here's A-pillar, matches so well. Is that crazy? That's sick. And here's the back part. So this was once also color matched gray, and now it's gloss black. Like, doesn't that look like how it should come from factory? Now with the Clearbra done, the full front end is protected, no worries about raw chips or anything like that. Definitely feel like we improved upon the look of the Defender, and honestly, this is how it should have come from factory, like I said before.